Let's see this question, and the question says, what is the main condition to produce interference of light? Now let's solve this question, and the key concept here is key concept. What is interference? So interference is the phenomena when two waves in same medium traveling in same medium meet. Now let's see the conditions. What conditions should be there? Okay, तो हमारे पास पहली कंडीशन क्या है? Light source should be monochromatic. Light source should be monochromatic. ओके, लाइट सोर्स मोनोक्रोमैटिक होना चाहिए, मतलब सेम सोर्स होना चाहिए. सेकंड कंडीशन देख सकते हैं, both the waves should be of same frequency. Should be of same frequency. Okay, both the waves should be of same frequency. Third is travel in same direction. They should travel in same direction. एक ही डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल करना चाहिए. फोर्थ क्या है? Amplitude of both the waves should be nearly amplitude of both the waves should be nearly equal. Okay, and we also have a point, fifth point. Fifth point कह रहा है both the sources हम उन्हें slits भी कहते हैं, should be small, छोटे होने चाहिए, should be very thin. तो point one that says light source should be monochromatic. Monochromatic होना चाहिए, same source होना चाहिए. Both the waves should be of same frequency. Point two. And point four, amplitude of both the waves should be nearly equal. इन तीनों से हम क्या इन्फर कर सकते हैं कि वेव्स हमारी कोहेरेंट होनी चाहिए, कोहेरेंट. ओके, so the main condition to produce interference of light, the wave should be coherent. So final answer is waves should be coherent. Okay, मेन कंडीशन ये है, और भी कंडीशंस हैं, बट दिस इज द मेन कंडीशन. So thank you everyone. I hope you understood the solution. Good luck.